Over the past decade, three firms control the majority of the assets in the ETF industry, and that concentration is starting to loosen up. There's a longer tail now of more managers that are breaking into the ETF market, but they need a lot of help. They need a lot of help distribution-wise, they need a lot of help with marketing, in various aspects, as well as with R&D. And what's happening now, the way the industry is evolving, is that a lot of the established issuers, ones that are more established than the ones further out on the tail, are allowing smaller managers to use their infrastructure to launch products. And they've recognized that there's enough capacity out there that where they can rent their infrastructure to allow these smaller managers to come online in a way that doesn't compete with their products, but allows them to participate in products that they're not launching themselves. The biggest holdout in the industry over the past few years has been mutual fund companies that have not entered the marketplace. And they've been waiting. They've been waiting for things to develop on the relief side where they're not required to disclose their holdings on a daily basis. Things are starting to loosen there. Nevertheless, mutual fund companies are trying to break in, or at least trying to get their exemptive relief to be ready. And usually the trend is that they're either thinking of buying or building, but there could be other options for them available out there. There could be an option for them to use existing relief from another issuer that's out there already, a smaller issuer, where they can come to market more quickly, perhaps without a large cash outlay, and partnering with a firm that can help them with research and also with marketing the product as well. It's an area that they're not familiar with, it's a different distribution channel, and a lot of the mutual fund companies could use some help in this space. Nevertheless, that will be probably the single biggest trend over the next few years in the ETF industry, looking at large mutual funds getting in to the ETF space because it's a different type of wrapper and it's something that they can't continue to ignore.